Yeah, or whatever. Advertising.
Straight back.
Straight back. Say, doing good. Straight back. Straight back. Good, good.
Keep going. Stop.
Wait, look toward that building. Oh, let's back up this way. Keep going back. Run the trail there.
Other way, other way.
Yeah, no, this ain't gonna be bad once we get the dam. All right, we got scratches.
How many you gotta remove?
Just we just need to move the axle bunch.
Yeah.
So just spread them. Okay. Wrap some already between them. Just okay. Just button that axle. You can't remove that bounce down. Oh, thanks. My biggest thing is we're just gonna have to really adjust. Yeah, I should be able to do it all over.
Yeah, I got your plate too.
Okay.
So he's holding it in his hand. Make sure you get that to you. Do some power washing with this man, boy.
Well, the water pickup damn near clears the bunk. I mean, it's so close. But what is my name? You can't.
Alright, so we got about 8 inches to come down. So we're definitely going to screw the dry shafts. They'll be fine.
Yep, chance of good.
You
Rocks
don't
are.
need to bump the stern this way a little bit.
Which puts us back on the damn water intake.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's definitely going to happen. Where's the other one?
Right on it. It's hard to tell exactly what's there.
We had to put some a new valve stem in that front left tire there because it wasn't holding the air it needed to be. And as you can see, we need some adjustments here. We're only going a few blocks here, but I'm going to have Andy over there modify this front so it holds onto the bow correctly and mounts up. And then there's just a little bit of modifying I'm going to be doing underneath on this trailer. Well, not me. That kind of sounds good, but it really isn't going to be. And there she goes. We'll be going down the road with this bad boy.